welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing more work on my sister's truck. So that there's Lauren, there's a truck,
the
and
headliner.
that's the headliner.
And I'll show you where the fabric is that we got in the mail. Well, I got in the mail. 4 yards worth of fleece. It's pink camo, as you can see. It's really gonna look neat.
Yeah. We thought this is we're gonna measure
and cut.
Yeah, measure and cut. That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah. We have to cut the fabric to the right size of the headliner, and the tricky part is going to be cutting it to all these holes.
So yeah, let's do that right now. Turns out 60 inches is wide enough for this headliner, and you know we got 4 yards, so we're definitely gonna have to cut this in half.
Oh no!
It's blowing it. We need more hand seal. Alright guys, we trimmed it and it fits and everything. This is how it's gonna look.
It already looks so good, and we're not even close to being done yet.
So now we need to start cutting holes for the, what is that? The dome light and map
light. Yeah.
Map lights and dome
Dome
lights.
light and map light, and all the little clip holes.
Yeah, let's do that right now. Done cutting holes. We cut the map where the map's light thing goes, and the dome light. These holes with pinos, and these are for clips. So yeah, and then either on this side, I think it's that side, we are gonna put holes for the handle. And yeah, then trimming will be done. Here is the glue we are using. This is spray-on adhesive, heavy duty, up cutting holes. I also forgot to mention that we also have holes for the visors, so we're gonna do that as well. Everything that needs holes. So now we're gonna get to gluing this thing onto the headliner. And another thing I forgot to mention is that we are also going to be covering these visors with the same fabric. Just got done spraying the fabric to the headliner. This was one of the hardest things we done, trying to get it precise and everything. We did mess up on a few spots. Right here, that's gonna be folded anyway, but we got some bubbles here. This is our first time doing this, so I guess it's not that bad, but yeah. So now we lost some of the holes right here, so if you guys are doing this, then punch your holes in after you glue it to the headliner. I don't know why we did that first. So yeah, all we have to do now is trim a little bit of the excess fabric and redo our holes and put it in the truck. Finished the edges. Instead of trimming them, we just glued them on to the bottom. I don't know if you can see that, but it makes it look more clean and everything. So now we'll just let it dry for I don't know how long. Then we're gonna put it inside my sister's truck. And then once it's in there, we're gonna redo the holes. And yeah, it's kind of hard squeezing that whole headliner in the passenger seat. Am I right?
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
But It shouldn't be too hard though. I mean, it's gonna be hard, but not too hard.
There's a sub right there. If you guys haven't seen that video, then I highly recommend watch it. Yeah, we'll see you guys once it is in there, and then we'll go from there. It's mostly in. We put the dome light in, map light in. It's good. We put the clips in right there. So now we have the visors, the handle up here. You can see that, and a few other things. So unfortunately, I can't film it because I need all my hands. This is a tough job, so yep. All right, guys, it is actually the next day. We're working on this. There's Lauren, and yeah, all we have to do now is finish up this visor with the meal, and Lauren is putting on the passenger handle. It's only one of those, and it's on the passenger side. I'm not sure why. So yeah, we're gonna finish this up and show you guys how it looks. Hey guys, we're finally done. It took us 2 days to do this. Oh, yeah. And you guys are probably wanting to see what it all looks like, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Here's the finishing result. We have the painted trim pieces. If you haven't seen that video, then I highly recommend you watch that. So here we have the headliner. It looks pretty nice. Do have some mess ups here, right there, along here. But other than that, it looks pretty good. We also done the visors, like we said. These were a freaking nightmare to get on.
Yeah, they were.
Let me tell you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. So
Wait, Chris, you're...
I'll show you a few more clips of this. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe, like, comment, and check out my merch. I'll see you soon.